Hey, I'm glad you texted me. I was just up the road. Let's go see 4909 Lee Avenue. Hillcrest is known for its historic charm, walkability, and vibrant local culture. Hillcrest offers a lifestyle that's hard to find anywhere else in Central Arkansas. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has all of the Hillcrest charm people look for without the old home maintenance. This home was completely taken down to the studs and restored in late 2022 into early 2023, which makes all of your major items like roof and HVAC newer.